My name is Roman Lesko. I'm with CargoRAXX. CargoRAXX is the ultimate patrol organizer that we designed with NYPD for the back of their SUVs. CargoRAXX is universal for the Tahoe, Interceptor, Durango, and Expedition. We designed the top rack for NYPD to double their storage space. They were looking for an easy way to show all their equipment, so we created options for their Halligan, caution tape, flares. You can also use this as a glove box dispenser and pull gloves out of the side. We have a fire extinguisher mount that's universal for the 5 and the 10-pound fire extinguisher. We have an optional blue reflective tape for police and red reflective tape for fire departments. We then added a drawer solution for weapons or added storage. I wanted to make the drawer sleek enough so you can still get bigger bags underneath or totes as well. And we have a full electronics box concealed in the back. And the way to access the box is by undoing the latches, pulling the drawer out while pulling the door down. Once you clear the drawer, the door is fully removable. So if you add more slack to the wiring, you can pull the door out and work on all your equipment right here in the vehicle. You can also use a quick connect to pull the whole thing out and work on a bench. And the door panel is thick enough for self-tapping screws. We have a lidded rack option that you can lock, so you can use the top rack as a lockable storage compartment or for a weapon. It's good for when you don't have a partition. If you're like in an admin car, you can utilize that so stuff doesn't fly forward into the vehicle. We make the product in the United States, in New Jersey, in our own facility. Everything is sourced in America. We buy the metal from Tennessee. And you can order the product through your local distributor. We work with Dana and we're in their system, so feel free to reach out to your Dana rep and contact them to get a quote today.